Hi, I'm Lauren DeVitas of State Street, and I'm joined today by Ornella Combaluzier, who is actively participating in SSGA's LIBOR project initiative. So Ornella, welcome. And what are your observations on LIBOR readiness?
I would say we've made some progress this year in terms of readiness. It's definitely been slow and different depending on the areas you're looking at. So in the derivatives market, for example, we've seen a lot more volume in the SOFR futures and swap transactions, but it hasn't been the case in the loan market. SOFR will be the new rate used in the US after 2021. But if we focus on our clients and our peers in the industry, there's really not a lot of time left if we look at 2021, especially if you haven't put together a transition plan. It really takes time, it takes resources, and it takes a lot of coordination across functions.
Now, are you hearing from clients on this, or are you proactively reaching out to them?
Some of our clients are adopting a wait-and-see approach, which obviously creates a lot of risks. The biggest risk I see is not knowing the extent and the nature of your exposure to LIBOR. So it could be, your exposures through your benchmarks that you're using, through risk models, through pricing models, and different data feeds that you're receiving on a daily basis. So really, our largest clients have already executed on their plan, and so that's what we're looking to see. But we really want to urge all market participants to, first of all, create a governance structure around the LIBOR transition. Second, know their exposure and actively reduce it. And then third, communicate those plans to their clients.
Now, what should boards be thinking about in terms of risk?
Most firms are going to be thinking about operational risks when it comes to this transition. But the other risk I would highlight is around conduct risk. All financial institutions have to have fiduciary obligations toward their clients. And honestly, not a lot of clients know or are comfortable with the risks associated with the transition. So it is our role to make sure we educate them and we inform them of those risks. So whether you are a large client or a more vulnerable one, we have to make sure we treat all clients fairly and equally.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you find these insights helpful. For more information, please visit our website at statestreet.com.